What's up, everybody? This is Triple P Trending. Welcome to the positive vibes and show you the reality concerning the negative reactors who are usually expose their negative ways, indirect ways that are hitting the head of positive reactors. And yet, my guys, we are just here to ensure that we give you the reality concerning the negative people and the positive people who support the traveling commando who usually do amazing work in the villa. My guy, for today, let us just go through what it entails to our amazing reaction, where we see more negative reactors are just coming with negative mind, negative reasoning, negative thinking, and failures, showing us that they are the right people who are just doing the reality in the reaction section. Remember, guys, wherever you're watching me from, I welcome you to this. Entertain everyone. We talk the reality, we give the fact concerning the trending legacy in our amazing villa. Guys, as we know that we have the negative reactors who are usually always negative concerning the progress of our amazing Marwa. Guy, take a look to this.
Thank you. I'm not attacking you. If you really understand how I do my reaction, I don't even attack. I call out and we correct each other. So whenever you come with some BS, I'll call you out for that. And you can do that to me too, okay? I'm not attacking you. I'm just being honest, straight with you. Only one thing I do is I be straight with everyone. Whether you're my subscriber, whether you're Team Masoda, just, yeah.
I learned from the drunkard. Okay? The drunkard came. This was David Jr.'s idea, but David Jr. wants to make it look like, yo, it is the drunkard's idea that he wants me to purchase the land. This is all a PR. They are trying to play PR. You know, a lot.
Because conduct is the somebody who threatening people, walking with machete and a hammer on his waist, looking for the people who maybe Lady J or DeeMwango or Kenge saying that, oh, those people are bad. That is his job.
Now, guys, from this clip that I have just played for you to see that these negative reactors, they are actually coming with a strategy to explain themselves that they are the positive reactor. Yet, they have not apologized. They have not even shown themselves that they're turning their ways to come to the positive section. Yet, a person like Maso,
I don't know how they view this conduct, because conduct is the somebody who threatening people, walking with machete and a hammer on his waist, looking for the people who maybe Lady J or DeeMwango or Kenge saying that, oh, those people are bad. That is his job.
like Masobo is right now trying to express himself that he's not a negative reactor. Why? Because he have been trying to do reaction concerning Marwa, negativity concerning Marwa, to prove people that Marwa is just doing negative thing. He have even decided to demand or destroy David Jr. He have been hitting Masubo for the long time. Have been hitting DeeMwango for a long time. Right now, he have just come with a strategy, like he's trying to beg indirect way. Now, we are here to address him that he should stop what he's doing wherever he is.
Talking to people, and he even doing threatening content. That is the fact. And they abusing content. Because I have some many videos of conduct saying that, oh, those people who are dressing well, they don't have nothing. He is reacting to people. And the Kenge family, they say that, oh, we don't want reactors, we don't want negativity. And them, every time, they are putting conduct, threatening people, abusing people, you know.
Because we know all the dramas he have been trying to create, bringing scandals, looking for people so that they may prove themselves that they are the real one. Yet we know that they are really, really big scammers. We see them in the previous videos that they have been doing. They have been crying and asking people that, where have you been? We are here to tell you the reality. We are here to show you the way. Yet, the good thing we know concerning the viewers from Marwa is that they really know where they're heading. They cannot allow anyone to come to dismantle or to split them from Team Marwa. Yet, when we see
Is this sec, ses, or sec? Is this C-E-C? Oh, let me say seek. Oh, sex. Oh, damn, man, I'm almost say some stuff here. So thank you. I'm not attacking you. If you really understand how I do my reaction, I don't even attack. I call out and we correct each other. So whenever you come with some BS, I'll call you out for that. And you can do that to me too, okay? I'm not attacking you. I'm just being honest, straight with you. One thing I do is I be straight with everyone. Whether you're my subscriber, whether you're Team Masoda, just, yeah.
JT is here now trying to explain himself that he don't care if you are a Team Marwa, if you are from wherever side, if you are from Team Masoda, he don't care if you are there to give him the direct point or hitting comments. Now, he's even replying to some of his commentators that whatever you are just commenting here, I don't care what you are commenting here, regardless you are from wherever side, I don't care. You need to go wherever you belong. Now, this shows that these people have created the big hatred, the big hates from positive reactors. Right now, I know some of them have been even through some messages that I should stop what I'm doing, because they know when we come together, we usually do amazing work. We usually tell the people the reality that they are negative way. From the former video, you saw that we did a video with Prince Odinga where some people were just even commenting that is this the one who last time from Bungoma who scammed people through iammarwa's name? And yet we have already shown them that we are going to come, and this shows that the viewers from Team Marwa, they are really very keen to those negative reactors, and I appreciate everyone for who is just taking his time to go and look such kind of videos, because this tells us that you are doing amazing work, you are there doing follow-ups concerning Team Marwa. We will never take that for granted. Continue supporting everyone who you just see who is a positive one, who is just talking the reality concerning the positive man, the traveling commando. No one is there addressing with a negative mind. My guy, for now, we have seen that Nairobi teacher is trying to explain himself that people have been doing amazing work, yet they are apologizing direct way. Nairobi teacher, why are you trying to hide yourself, that to try to prove yourself that you have been doing a lot of things?
And guess what? David Jr. wants to buy land from the drunkard. Okay? The drunkard came. This was David Jr.'s idea, but David Jr. wants to make it look like, yo, it is the drunkard's idea that he wants me to purchase the land. This is all a PR. They are trying to play PR. You know, a lot of...
Stop pretending to be a good man, yet everyone knows your futures. We have been trying to keep you in this scene, but now it is time to expose you, because we will never explain a lot concerning this, yet they know. Masubo is here now confused.
They want to benefit from that. You know, sometimes we are here to say that our own opinion, this is the first priority you can do.
Masubo is here now confused, totally, explaining unreasonable things. Take a look to this, what Masubo is just explaining himself here.
You can see right now, he has two ladies which he has rent for them. He has rent for Dolina, he has rent for Robigan. You know, now he is, you know, today if he want to use kale, if he want to use spinach, is here. Kale is here. You know, meat here. Chicken here.
Now guys, as you have seen, Masubo is totally confused with what he's saying. He's now even trying to clarify someone's life as if it's his own life. I don't know why you're taking others' life like your personal life. Why don't you focus to your own life? Sometimes you go beyond even doing some investigation concerning someone. Why are you doing all this? Jealousy is just killing you. Now, you need to change your strategy. Focus on your own thing. Move on with your own life. Regardless of anything you're doing, try to focus to what you're doing. Alright, my guys, for today's reaction, if you have not subscribed to this amazing YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and give a like to the video. To our next reaction, you'll get the notification immediately. Thank you for watching. May we keep tuned until the next reaction.